Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Uber and navigating straight to Wallet, then Backup Balance. This is where the money lives. Check the displayed backup amount and the linked cards so you know coverage limits. Once done, toggle Auto Use if you want Uber to apply backup balance automatically when primary payment fails. That avoids ride interruptions. Make sure your phone has network access and your app is updated so settings save immediately. Small version mismatches can hide options. You request a ride and immediately glance at payment to confirm primary is selected. This prevents surprises. If the primary method declines, tap Payment and choose Backup Balance to complete the trip. This avoids cancellation. Once the ride ends, you can open the receipt, change payment to split fare, or adjust tip and reassign charges so your backup covers only the intended portion. Keep an eye on the remaining backup amount to avoid partial payments mid-trip. You finish by reviewing Wallet to confirm the charge used backup balance and to see what remains. This helps plan next rides. If you want more coverage, top up via in-app options or add a debit card as backup to increase capacity. If a charge fails or the backup didn't apply, gather the trip ID and payment screenshots, then contact Uber support through the app. They can reconcile transactions quickly. Keep receipts and check bank statements to verify resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.